Women and Family Commission Jamaat-e-Islami is the largest cluster of NGOs working for women and family-related issues in Pakistan. Its vision is ensuring socio-politico, economic, legal rights to women and spreading peace and prosperity from families to societies. Its mission slogan is "Strong families make strong societies." We are trying to equip young women with knowledge, skills, and competencies so that they may be able to perform well in each societal role in order to create strong families, a prosperous Pakistani nation, and a progressive Muslim Ummah. We are setting new standards of social responsibility, dedication, commitment, volunteerism, and grassroots level penetration. Women play varied roles in society. These different shades of womankind, from homemakers to change makers, add color to every sphere of life. Women have an important part to play in sustainable development across the globe, and without their remarkable contributions, no progress can ever be possible. Women and Family Commission Jamaat-e-Islami is working for the welfare of women and family in all sectors of society, not only in Pakistan but across the globe. Our NGOs, sister concerns, and collaborations are outlined as follows in order of their areas of focus. Our policy-making forum, Women and Family Commission (JI), it regularly generates literature and publications on societal issues focusing family. In the area of women welfare, we have established Falahi Khandan centers in different cities across Pakistan, working in diverse fields such as granting interest-free loans, arranging wedding meals and maid services, job desks, and catering services. We have also established vocational training centers across Pakistan and Working Women Organization. Legal aid and guidance is being provided to women through Women Aid Trust and Women Islamic Lawyers Forum. We are working in the field of disaster management, rehabilitation, and resilience through Gosha Afiyat Women Protection Centers, Umeed-e-Nau Center, which is a counseling and rehabilitation center, as well as women welfare centers. Our educational network is spread all across Pakistan through Society for Educational Welfare, Baithak School Network, Jamia Mohsenat, Quran Institutes, and Usman Public School Systems. Almost 40% of population of Pakistan comprises of youth. We have laid special focus on their capacity building and skill development. Rising Youth is working for mentoring and counseling. It has designed special courses and events for youth. Ijlik Youth is working through trainings and experiential learning. Islami Jamiyat Talbat is working for the capacity building and skill enhancement of youth. Stars of Islam are weekend learning centers with specially designed courses. Young Muslims hold weekly classes, summer camps for character building of youth. We realize that media is the most important tool for social awareness and education of the masses. We have a highly motivated, energetic, and competent team of professionals managing our media department. Our social media team is responsible for monitoring, content generation, Twitter campaigns, and social media marketing. Roshni Media is a production house that makes documentaries, short films, and awareness campaigns. We have established our work in female professionals all across Pakistan. PIMA is the Pakistan Islamic Medical Association working in doctors all across Pakistan. We realize the importance of economic sector and are fully engaged with the business community through collaborations with chambers of commerce, collaborations with incubation centers at higher educational institutions, and we have recently launched a social entrepreneurship program as well. Tanzeem-e-Asatiza is rendering remarkable services for teachers all across Pakistan. Our social work is spread through Al-Khidmat Women Wing. We have our orphan care programs, family packages, internships, collective marriage ceremonies. We have also established counseling centers that are offering pre-marriage and post-marriage counseling to families all across Pakistan. Our target beneficiaries are women, youth, academia, governmental institutions, NGOs, and policymakers. Over the years, we have succeeded in creating an impactful outreach in socio-economic political spheres of Pakistan and beyond. We have numerous national and global linkages, partnerships, and collaborations, as well as chapters in Europe and America. Our engagement strategies comprise training sessions, proactive interventions, curriculum design, social surveys and research, social awareness campaigns, debates and discussions, public events, and forums. We strongly believe that the basic building block of any society is the family. If there is peace and prosperity within this sphere, it will result in peace and prosperity in society. Women folk, who are a most valued asset comprising half the global populace, have an integral role to play in this regard. Through all our efforts, we are committed to building a prosperous future for our nation and the Ummah, and pledge to make efforts for a true Islamic welfare system. We envision an Ummah that nurtures and respects its women folk and honors them in every societal role that they play. Islam believes in equity between men and women as individuals and assigns them their distinctive rights and responsibilities within the social sphere. Our cluster of NGOs makes targeted efforts to equip all females with the required knowledge, skills, and competencies for fulfilling their societal roles in order to build strong families and a strong nation.